And that right there is one reason why you shouldn't ride after leg day. Head to your toes, you don't wanna move to the bed, down to the down to the floor. Now wanna rip the pants and rip the shirt, rough sex, make it hurt. In the ground or all in the dirt, roll around, Georgia Brown. That's the way that I like it to work. Legs jerk, overwork, underpaid, but don't be afraid. In the sun or up in the shade, on the top of my Escalade. Baby, a girl or my friend could trade. Tag team off the ropes. Look, more new drifters have arrived to this location. Check out what up, though? White girl. Nobody was here to see that. And that right there is one reason why you shouldn't ride after leg day. And this stupid thing is where my foot slipped.
Finish him! KO! You win!
I love my barns because they always protect it. They always protect my bike. And if there were frame sliders or race rails, it would have been perfectly fine.
Strike a pose.
Let's get the hell out of here. I'm not coming back here ever again. That chocolate, make it melt. Whips and chains, handcuffed. Smack that little booty up with my belt. Scream help, play my game, Dracula. Let me get my fangs, horseback, and let me get my reins. School teacher, let me get my grades. Subscribe to Say No to Sex!
Fatality.
Stay in your spot!